Hey, AP Physics students, how about a few hints regarding T8.1, page 371, number 24. So we're talking about the net electric force, and we've got these four charges, and the only way for the net force to be toward the center is the following. Let's say you have a positive charge right there, and the only way for you to have the net force toward the center is if then at the next corner there was a charge. If this is positive, well, let's call that negative. Then, of course, in order for this to be toward the center, down in this corner must be a negative charge, and over in this corner would be a positive charge. And as you can see then, for instance, if I want to know the net force on this one, the positive charge would pull to the left, and this positive charge would pull down this way. Because the charges are all the same, then the net effect would be toward the middle. Well, then you're wondering what to do with this. This one simply repels back the same direction, and that's not a problem. So that's the biggest hint that will help you. One thing you could look at in this circumstance is that the distance between them is unfortunately what we call r. So this r, which doesn't stand for radius, just like with gravity, it stands for the distance between the centers of the two charges, and that's equal to 0.30 meters. And that's the distance between them. Well, it's the same because this is a square for the distance between those. However, the distance here is larger. I'm sure you could find that by some enjoyable mathematics. And the rest of this is basically just asking for the net force, which means you're going to add vectors together. So you'll use F equals K times Q1 times Q2. Of course, the charges are the same, divided by R squared, and do that multiple times. I believe you will have great success in this problem. Have fun.